Hello, everybody. You see True Creators?
Good morning.
Yes, so she is my social media expert. She's been giving me some tips this morning. I would like to start with a 101 tip from the 4-step cure. So, the first thing I want you to do is when you get up in the morning, don't say anything to anybody before you pray. Now, you need to pray to God. You need to pray to your ancestors, your mother, your father, and anyone who's helped you through your day and through your life. When you get up, you pray to your Ori, which is your head, your inner spirit. You look in the mirror and you ask for one thing that you want to manifest in your life every day. Don't think about the how, don't think about the why, just do it. Yes, it is that simple. Just do it. With a pure heart, good intentions. Don't say I'm going to get $1 million a day if you don't believe you'll get $1 million today. Because the thing about this is, it's just that simple. And as you know, if you ask, you will receive. So that is my pushing point for today. Enjoy your day.